Hi, I'm Jing, and I've been absolutely charmed by the Kodak Charmera. I love this little camera so much that I designed and 3D printed a custom case for it. I call it the Bubblegum. This case makes the camera even more capable. The finger ring is a pretty big upgrade. It gives you a much more secure grip, it's fun to fidget with, and is significantly stronger than the original ring. I also embedded 4 magnets into the case, so if you want to record yourself, you can simply stick the camera onto almost any metal surface, no tripod needed. My favorite feature is the cold shoe mount. I can easily attach a powerful LED light for that nostalgic vintage flash look, or mount my favorite microphone to improve the audio quality when recording video. I genuinely think the Charmera is one of the best street photography cameras for beginners. It's so disarming and playful that people barely take it seriously, which helps you to get over that initial fear of shooting in public. Instead of worrying about the camera, you start focusing on composition and storytelling right away. So here's my question for you. Would you buy something like this? If so, what price do you think would be fair? And what features or improvements would you like to see? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.